Hi, today I'm for the new VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So just to install iPhone keyboard on our VIVO device, we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why let's open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard app. Now we should get this application, so just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After the installing, we should tap to open button to open the app and tap here to enable in settings. Now near green Apple keyboard, you should tap on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then click to go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard look, and we can see that it looks like the iPhone keyboard has all of this models. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.